Hey guys, it's BlessBoy501. So today I've got two packages, and the first one is from Bluebird. I won a contest from Bluebird, so there's the Bluebird logo. So we will open it, and I'm excited about this. I can't wait to get it out of its package and look at it. It's got tape all around it, so let me get it out. I'm really excited about this because this is my only representation that I have of a Bluebird Vision school bus, because I don't have the bank, so you know, I'm glad to get this. It is a USB drive Bluebird Vision. As soon as I can get it out here. It's a tiny little thing. It's very nice. There it is. And see, it's a USB. So glad to get that. I won the contest, and that's how I got it. So, and now we'll open a trade package that is not, that I traded for my brother. I traded one of his cars for these, so these aren't mine, these are my brother's. Wow, I didn't expect the GTO to be a short card, but it's a short card, so that's cool. And then I got the, or he, not me, he got this 34 Ford regular to go with this Super. So yeah, pretty happy about this Bluebird Vision USB drive. You know, don't really have many Bluebird things, and you know, honestly, I mean, I'm not a real big fan of Bluebird, but I think I'm starting to like Bluebird a little bit more now. So, you know, I definitely want to get some more Bluebird merchandise at some point. So yeah, alright guys, thanks for watching. Bye.